bhí mission ní sóige, níor cantar Man U agus Liverpool, Rooney agus Torres.
Ach anois tá muintir na héireann gafa leis an glufa idirnáisiúnta seo.
As chomáile sin, tá sé sulir bhfuil club na áitiúla éideannacha ag gá le neart go neart.
In Bohemians, we're different to probably most academies, especially in League of Ireland. As a League of Ireland club, we cater for everybody. So it doesn't matter who turns up, what age, what ability. It doesn't make a difference. And we're so lucky again. Ireland is so open that we can get any nationality in, and we just mix. We all mix. And like as I say, kids 5, 6, 7. Thank God they just see a little buddy in a red jersey, same as them. Let's play football. Okay, so now what I want...
Is it 7-a-side?
Well, you need to be much more ludic, you know? It's not like just telling them to run with the ball and do all those... With that age, you need to play more with that, right? So they don't get bored. That's the thing that they love the most.
Is níos mú ná club soccer atá gceist le bós. Cohíonn sé spirit sa phobal dlú seo.
Sorry. We're really lucky with, I think, the people that come in, and we have our regulars, and it's nice to catch up.
Yeah.
So it's very much in the heart of the community, so I love it.
Seo cantar atá gafa le soccer, le ceann gan na clubanna is sin is sa tír acu. Ach an bhfuil siad chomh passionanta is atá lucht leanta na Brasaíle.
From Brazil, you've moved to Fibsborough, what a lot of Bows fans consider the home of football in Ireland. How has it been? What's it been like?
I wouldn't imagine that I would arrive here, I would go to Dalymount Park, watch a match in the first week, and that did, like, I went to a lot of matches and, mad. Like,
And now you're coaching for them.
yeah. I used to work in a camp in Brazil for 4 years, with children from 5 to 14.
The scheme that you're working with is all about kind of like giving kids from different backgrounds and like kids from different nationalities and stuff like that a chance.
It is very important part of their development, right? The fact that they're practicing sport or getting integrated in a club like Bohemians, good for everyone. Like for myself, for them, for the community, helping integrating other cultures together through football, right? So that's one of the main reasons why I got so excited about it.
Yeah, because it seems to me like you're far more passionate about like, you know, helping people rather than the kind of technical coaching aspect of it.
The name of the project says it, right? Football unites us. I have fun with them, though. I can have a good crack.
Yeah.
All this work with the community is amazing, you know, like actually doing something good. Like the mentality of Bohemians, like home.
Nice.
Ní
bhreanaí Páirc Chnocán Uí Dhálaigh cosú le Páirc be Eile néadan, le tagartí don cheol, chultúr agus an pholaíocht le feiceáil fud fad na páirce. Seo cumasc idir Ailín, peile agus passion.
Cefil ruddy?
Good morning, Steve.
Yeah, not so bad now.
Just how got lost like a stove of and Shane and maybe, you know, touch up yoga and Shane or something like that.
I think go háirithe le Bows tá sé éascail le feiceáil go sé gur atmosfér a bhád níos kind of oscailte a chruthú go choláine.
Agus tá lán fáilte rih aimed in a different where I suppose, you know, or bhí mayor school, you know, we cinál lad a bháin a Imrie and peile agus tá an Bargrú go sin aige, tá an Jersey sin aige, you know, leanann sé a club show no club sin, you know, United or Liverpool, and then Méid ar leanann siad League of Ireland. You know, tá sin ag aiриú.
Life ain't always empty. Life ain't always empty. Life ain't always empty. Life ain't always empty.
As a bin an far hustú gobal le Bows, you know, you know, Malata soccer is, you know, are you one of the boo boys more there and new?
Smálam an cultúr agus smálam na ndaoine, ach a héad peile is one of gimmert peile. Níl mé an fécinn ar fá níos mó nach fé ná méid, you know? Tá bhád níos mó daoine an seo bhfuil róil acu atá tábhachtach. You know, ag ní himreoirí ná, you know, beidir nach bhfuil an grá acu an alín ach tá grá acu an peile. So, I don't know, takes all types, you know? Imáile clia faoi láthair tá na bailí ag imeacht, so tá áiteanna mar seo tábhachtach mar sin, because, you know, like, níl an cuid is mó daoine ag géirí Bob Marley ar an mála. I don't know,
Le cluife óhhar a gunne drochadá Aontaithe ar siúla nacht, ba dheis ionintach a bula leis an lucht leanta dílis tá ag bós.
Cén fáir thosa tú a leanach bós agus cén ádáil tú go ag na cluifií?
Well, tosaí mé ag dul go dtí bós 7 bliana him ceapan. Bhí Eile agam agus bhí mé faoi cíoch agus dúirt mar tarlumsa bhío mé cúpadeach agus tampós anis. Tá sé mar therapy agus release dom.
Agus chuir an rud is fearr leat faoi bós nó bheith mar ceann go na boo boys.
An cultúr I bós, so an ceol agus an na saothar alíonna atá agan agus is linne an club freisin. Tá bhóta ag gach members an club agus ag an AGM, tá mí le dul agus ar tuairmí a thuirt amach don do gach aine.
Sin a Aontaithe. Inis tá se an andam an oireann agus a lucht leanta a eiscint agus iad faoi lán shaol.
Yeah, so why did you go over to Palestine, and then why was it important to get a picture at Dalymount with that flag and send it back over to the boys?
Well, I had a week off work. I wanted to go somewhere a bit different. So just behind you there, it says Visit Palestine, and I've been looking at that for years.
Okay.
So I said, I'm gonna visit Palestine.
Oh, right. Mental.
Looked up, see what football was on, and there's a West Bank Premier League. And I said, that's me. And some of the lads I met, they brought me in, gave me t-shirts, scarves, coffee and everything. And I said, right, well, I'll take a few pictures from my club and send them back. So that's what I'm doing tonight.
Bhí teanna san air, agus cé gur chríoch na chéad le gan scóir, níor chuir sin sríon leis an lucht leanta, agus iad a canna is a béiciad. Spreagach a baisinú.
Tá mí géirí gach duine a thuirt isteach. Tá siad ag bhhat le filiocht bhhat le an diblacht agus rud mar sin. Tá an peile ann or tá an tsacair ann an seo do gach duine. Agus na daoine atá sa deach provision freisin, bíonn busan ar fáil freisin ón na háisina sin go dtí an clip.
Bhfuil se chuine aisteach nuair atá an stair sin ag athrú bhil seo.
Tá mar tá an ascaidir Bob Marley agus bhí peile ag soccer an seo freisin, so tá golas ar an seo. Ach go bhharlum an Jackar cí Aontaithe sa talamh ná áit ag an Éile. Ba méid fós I Dalymount, go dtéir an lei.
Agus bhí sé fós soft bilg,
Yeah, bhí sé,
But yeah, nach tá go lai bós, beidir drá go máin, I'm happy out, so.
Tom Geary go nod go bós gapan
Bene fatta folla mare bene fatta folla mare ni non andato mare bene mi cresce la mare continua
Holy.
Care.
Cachua. Ceachú Russia boga go Dalymount ó bhí sé begimirt.
Tánig mé an blion seo chuig Dalymount, dúirt an banisteir dom chunar chuir sé léic orm. go maiid ag imreachta Dalymount gceist atran, agus níorbh sin ag na colíní an bliain se caite. So is rudí intach ceapan an tá an chun bheith ag imreacht anseo.
Rob, tell us, why is bowls important to you?
This is just something that I love doing on the weekly, and you get more addicted to it all the time. Not exactly the football all the time or whatever, but yeah, everybody's nice, and like I said, there's 4 big teams in Dublin. It's a case of like picking which one like is on my level in many ways of how I feel as a human. And a lot of the off the field stuff that boys do is I fully support it from the ground up. Obviously, like there's pride flags and the corner flags, you don't see that. Yeah, just a forward-thinking club in every element, very socialist thinking, anti-fascist, and I'm proud about that. Says bold things in society, and that helps change society, doesn't it?
Facts.
Doesn't it?
And he's an open-minded man. Here.
'Cause I've been living in a half-life, not sure which way to turn. Why must a man lose everything?
Ceapan riont daoine nach bhfuil bós socht dírithe an tsacair a hain le blianta beagán nús. Leis an iomar go béime ócádaí agus tugraí tíomhmuid an Páirc Imreoirí. Ach is club oscailte fáilteach iad, agus tionchar dearfach acu an bobal tríd na himachtaí seo. Ní héan íana gur thug peile the beautiful game it.
I'm gonna see you there.